Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have worked thousands of IRS cases. I've been doing this for the last 42 years in private practice. I worked at IRS 10 long years. Just go to my website at 777irs.com and learn all about me. I was just on News Nation 2 weeks ago, just giving my 2 cents for whatever it's worth. Listen, if you have filing anxiety because you haven't filed your tax returns in a long time, there's about 10 million people just like you, all in this anxiety hot tub, man, hoping to get the stress out. As a former agent, I used to deliver federal summons. I used to look through records and see stuff. So I'm well seasoned really in this. And if you haven't filed your tax returns, there's such an easy process to get back in the system. Such an easy process. So listen, at the end of the day, most people don't file because A, they're afraid, they have fear, they don't have their records, they don't know what to do, they don't know how much it's going to cost. You have all this stuff mounted up on. Well, you have to know, you have to file 6 years worth of tax returns, so you have to have the money to file 6 years worth of tax returns, and then you got the resolution part of this that someone has to resolve it. So is it going to cost a little more? Well, yeah, because you're taking 6 years and throwing it in this pot. But really, at the end of the day, you're going to get all this stuff behind you. So what you have to do is you just really have to hire just the right team. And this isn't just a promotion. It can be whoever else that you want to go ahead and can do this. But most people, if you don't have the records, reconstructing records are the easiest way to get your tax returns filed. And being former IRS agents, we know that. First of all, you can get all your 1099s and W-2s for free. Just go to irs.gov and go into your own portal where you can pull up your transcripts. Your transcripts will have your record of account there for the last 6 years, and you'll get your last 6 years 1099 and W-2s. Well, that's a starting point. So then if you want to reconstruct your own records for every year, you can, but usually most people at that point says, I just can't do it, I have to hire someone. Well, there's reconstructive methods that IRS approves. Just so you know, when they know you use these records, they kind of give you a pass because they know they're really good records to use for reconstruction. Well, if you need us to do this and resolve your IRS case, give us a holler. We're really good at doing this. I just want to let you know. So, get the fear and the anxiety out of your body. Truly, we can get this taken care of for you. You only have to file the last 6, so that's good news. Give me a subscription. Ask me questions. I'm happy to represent you. Thank you for listening.